heck is that? Anyway. Yo guys, RVH with ya. I got something. Yeah, y'all staring at my old Kenwood radio there. We'll get to that in a minute. Anyway, we are here because of this little item. I didn't know that they made woofers. Stinger Audio 10-inch high performance DVC subwoofer. Now, let me see. I got some Stinger stuff here. Y'all hang on. I gotta find a package. Where's it at? My junk room runneth over, y'all. That's for sure. Oh crap. Literally. Well, there's part of a damn package. Are you kidding me? Alright. Really? Part of a package? How do you know we're part of the package? Y'all enjoy staring at that woofer? Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this in here. The logo. The Stinger logo is the same. That's what I meant by part of a package. I couldn't have the paper part. That didn't fall out at me. Anyway. Alright. So, let's see what we got here. I guess the model number of it is a MC110D4. And do that carefully. Try not to knock my radio off. Alright. Toss this over here. Ah, they got me. Got him. Got him. Got me. I wonder which. Okay. That should be right. That should be right, y'all. I got some more goodies in off of the Amazon Vine thing. This was actually one of them. Shock to me. So, I guess we all up in here. Let's see. Oh, we were wrong. Oh, look at that. Stinger Audio. Huh. Anybody else going, huh, along with me? So let's get this bad boy out of here. That's a heavy little joker. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Y'all probably can't see much of anything. Alright. Oh. And now we do that. And then we throw that over there. Let me get y'all up here on the booty. Yeah. We're gonna go like, yeah, I don't know if you can get an 8 in there, but definitely 10 gauge. Look at that. Double stitched. And that's a 10. Said it was a 10. I guess a dust cap looks like a damn 8 to me. So, let's see here. Stuff slamming around. Telling y'all this junk room, man. Somebody needs to clean it out. Now the sun went down. Oh, let's see here. Oh, what the hell is it? Well, actually, edges surround the edges surround is a 9.5. So that's why it doesn't look like a 10 to me. Actually, about 9.25. That's not really a 10. I guess, no. Outside edge is 11. So yeah, can y'all see that? See what y'all can see. Yeah, 9 1/4. Edges around, edges around. Now the actual cone. Well, technically what you could classify as cone area is half of the surround to half of the surround, which puts it dead square on 8. So it's listed as a 10 with the cone area of an 8. That's a heavy, thick paper surround in there. Let me cut some. Darn it, where's my light? Cut some light on for y'all. There we go. See our pulp paper cone. That joker's super thick. And there was... Oh, we did get some paperwork. Stinger audio. And that is the same Stinger logo. And this is the MC10D4. So, resonance frequency of 43. That's alright, that's more in line with... I'm sorry, we'll scroll it up here so you guys... Let me cut that light off so I can come back out again. You guys can pause it wherever you need to see the specifications. 700 watts RMS, is that what it is? Yeah. Peak power handling, 1200. Frequency response of... I know I'm going, Oh, 20 to 200, okay. I'm trying to look at it through the phone, I don't have my glasses on. That's funny. So, what else we got here? Recommended sealed volume of 0.75. Recommended vented 1.5 to 2.2. Holy crap. And recommended tuning frequency of 35 to 40. 35 to 40 and a 1.5 cubic. Good lord. Oh, get up there where y'all can see it. Alright, so what I need y'all's help is, have y'all ever heard of Stinger audio products? I haven't, other besides wiring, cable, fuses, and stuff, and the high 10 radio. I did go to, I did try to type in Stinger audio, and it sent me to some place called Stinger Off-Road, a website called StingerOffroad.com, and it had a bunch of other stuff in there. So, I know nothing about it. So, y'all guys help me out. Leave it down in the comment. And let me know if y'all Stinger getting into the audio game.